I think the exciting part here about connecting our ciders and wines to how we farm and how we think about environmental stewardship is that it creates a wider palette for camp to play around with. So as we built out this whole more vibrant system of fruit and shrubs and botanicals, these became the paint, if you will, for like camp to paint as pictures of cider.
What we're doing is trying to take what Mother Nature offers us each year, whether it be a wet year or dry year, the location that we've planted these things, that, all the different factors. But really, the most of it is just respecting the fruit, and a painter would add different white, gray, whatever color he would need to add. The similarity is that they take a single paint, I take a grape or a beach plum and whatever it is, and I try to make the most beautiful rendition of that beach plum. They take the most beautiful rendition of that color. I think there's the similarity if I had to try to sum it up.
What's happening on our shores, what's happening in our woods, what's happening in our pastures, taking all of those ingredients and tying them into our cider production through Cam's artistry is really the thing that excites me the most. And when it comes together and we can just literally sit around a table and drink that in, to me it's like the perfect culmination of 12 really hard years of work.